This is TechCrunch.
As generative AI content starts to fill our social apps, a project to bring back Vine's 6-second looping videos is launching with Twitter co-founder Jack Dorsey's backing. On Thursday, a new app called diVine will give access to more than 100,000 archived Vine videos, restored from an older backup that was created before Vine's shutdown. The app won't just exist as a walk down memory lane, it will also allow users to create profiles and upload their own new Vine videos. However, unlike on traditional social media, where AI content is often haphazardly labeled, diVine will flag suspected generative AI content and prevent it from being posted. diVine's creation was financed by Jack Dorsey's nonprofit And Other Stuff, formed back in May. The new effort is focused on funding experimental open-source projects and other tools that have the potential to transform the social media landscape. To build diVine, Evan Henshaw-Plath, an early Twitter employee and member of And Other Stuff, explored the Vine archive. After Twitter announced it was shutting down the short video app in 2016, its videos were backed up by a group called the Archive Team. This community archiving project is not affiliated with archive.org, but is rather a collective that works together to save internet websites that are in danger of being lost. Unfortunately, the group had saved Vine's content as large 40 to 50 gigabyte binary files, which wouldn't be accessible to someone who just wanted to watch some old Vine videos. The fact the archive existed prompted Henshaw-Plath to see if it was possible to extract the old Vine content to serve as the basis for a new Vine-like mobile app. Henshaw-Plath spent a couple of months writing big data scripts and figuring out how the files worked, then reconstructed them along with the information on the old Vine users and the user engagement with the videos, like their views and even a subset of the original comments. Henshaw-Plath estimates the app contains a good percentage of the most popular Vine videos, but not a large number of the long tail. For instance, he says there were millions of K-pop-focused videos that were never even archived. He noted, "We have about 200,000 of the videos from about 60,000 of the creators." He added that, originally, Vine had a couple million users and a few million creators by comparison. Vine creators who still own the copyright to their work can send diVine a DMCA takedown request if they want their Vines removed, or they can verify they're the account holder by demonstrating they're still in possession of the social media accounts that were originally listed in their Vine bio. Once they have their account back, they can also choose to post new videos or upload their old content that the restoration process missed. To verify that new video uploads are human-made, Henshaw-Plath is using technology from the human rights nonprofit The Guardian Project, which helps to verify that content was actually recorded on a smartphone, along with other checks. Plus, because it's built on Nostr, a decentralized protocol favored by Dorsey, and is open source, developers can set up and create their own apps and run their own hosts, relays, and media servers. Dorsey said, "Nostr, the underlying open-source protocol being used by diVine, is empowering developers to create a new generation of apps without the need for VC backing, toxic business models, or huge teams of engineers. The reason I funded the nonprofit And Other Stuff is to allow creative engineers like Henshaw-Plath to show what's possible in this new world by using permissionless protocols which can't be shut down based on the whim of a corporate owner." The Dorsey-backed diVine project, meanwhile, believes that because the content is coming from an online archive and creators still own their copyrights, it's fair use. Henshaw-Plath also believes there's consumer demand for this type of non-AI social experience, despite the popularity of generative AI content and widespread adoption of apps like OpenAI's Sora and Meta AI. diVine is available on both iOS and Android. Microsoft is taking a page from OpenAI's playbook, literally. Bloomberg first reported that the tech giant plans to leverage its partner's custom chip development to bolster its own struggling semiconductor efforts, a move that looks increasingly pragmatic given Microsoft's lackluster performance compared to rivals like Google and Amazon. The arrangement is straightforward. OpenAI is designing AI chips with Broadcom, and Microsoft gets full access to the innovations. CEO Satya Nadella described plans to adopt OpenAI's designs and then extend them for Microsoft's own purposes by saying, "As they innovate even at the system level, we get access to all of it." Under a revised partnership agreement, Microsoft secured intellectual property rights to OpenAI's chip designs while maintaining access to the company's AI models through 2032. The only carve-out, OpenAI's consumer hardware, which the ChatGPT maker presumably wants to develop and sell independently. The collaboration underscores a broader reality in tech. Building cutting-edge AI chips is brutally difficult and expensive. Rather than continuing to struggle alone, Microsoft is betting that OpenAI's expertise, plus a smartly structured contract, can accelerate its own ambitions. That's it from TechCrunch. For more tech stories like these, go to TechCrunch.com.